1 minute to lights, 1 minute to lights, 1 minute to lights. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lights, lights, lights. When I heard these few statements while attending Marine Corps Officer Candidate School this past summer, I knew that my day was just beginning and that it was probably going to be another terrible day to be a Marine Officer Candidate. The coal culture of Marine Officer Candidate School is like no other and is absolutely one of the most organized and extreme coal cultures you could ever observe or be a part of. Through experiencing and surviving Officer Candidate School firsthand, I have learned how hard it is to live a life as a candidate, and trust me, it is unquestionably the most intense experience anyone could ever encounter. So today I would like to enlighten you about what Marine Officer Candidate School is, how you can become a Marine Officer Candidate, and how you live life as a Marine Officer Candidate. So what is Marine Officer Candidate School? According to Marines.com, the mission of OCS is to train, screen, and evaluate candidates who must demonstrate a high level of leadership potential and commitment to success in order to earn a commission. Located in Quantico, Virginia, the school trains, screens, and evaluates potential Marine Officer candidates. The candidates attend either a 10-week summer or 2 6-week separate summer training sessions for evaluations. Unlike other military services, a majority of Marine Officer candidates complete OCS in order to receive a commission or basically a job. On a day-to-day basis, a candidate is evaluated on literally everything they do. Candidates are evaluated on how fast they can dress, how fast they can eat, and basically how fast they can move in general. Every 2 to 3 days, there are new billet holders or leadership positions who are accountable for a fire team or squad during field exercises or platoon or company during garrison command time. So now that we know what Marine Officer Candidate School is, let's see what it takes to become a Marine Officer Candidate. It takes a lot of hard work and preparation in order to be even considered a Marine Officer Candidate. It will first of all require you to be a man or woman of leadership. According to Marines.com, leadership is evaluated on your ability to motivate your peers, successfully complete assigned tasks, and make sound decisions under pressure. Whether it's through tactical exercises or billet positions, the superiors at Officer Candidate School will give every candidate the opportunity to lead. It will secondly require you to be a physically fit and intelligent individual. At training, candidates are required to have an intense amount of stamina because as officers, they'll be put in physically demanding situations like hiking up 12 miles in full combat gear like in Iraq or Afghanistan. At Officer Candidate School, they teach military subjects like land navigation or maneuver under tactics that enable you to begin thinking like a Marine officer. So now that you know what it takes to be a Marine officer, let's see how you will live life in this intense training environment. A life as a Marine Officer Candidate is fairly simple, but at the same time extremely demanding. As a Marine Officer Candidate, you will be sleep deprived. Every night, the average candidate gets about 3 to 4 hours of sleep, which is 4 to 5 hours less than the recommended amount of sleep of 8 hours. Almost every candidate will start to become forgetful because of their lack of sleep, and when this happens, their evaluation will be affected on how well they handle the lack of sleep. I remember I used to only get 3 or 4 hours of sleep every night, and I wouldn't be able to focus the next day or be able to learn in class because I'd actually be sleeping in class because I was so tired. Also, as a Marine Officer Candidate, you'll move quick and efficiently or be punished. Whether you are going to the bathroom, taking a shower, eating lunch, or getting dressed, the candidate must try to be the first one done. If the candidate does not move quick and efficiently, they will be reprimanded with something known as a chit, which is basically a form a candidate fills out and puts in their superior's little mailbox, and then their superior gives them a little form saying, write on this form a little essay of what you did wrong. So, as we've observed, being a part of the coal culture of the Marine Officer Candidate School is not easy. The fast, efficient coal culture requires individuals to be leaders, physically fit, and intelligent. When I attended Marine Officer Candidate School this past summer, I discovered that being a Marine Officer Candidate requires a lot of strength and toughness. I learned what Marine Officer Candidate School is, what you can do to become a Marine Officer Candidate, and how you live life as a Marine Officer Candidate. So I hope you learned a little bit today about the coal culture of Marine Officer Candidate School, and thank you for your time.